Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide edit by search option on Snapchat. So here when I open up my Snapchat app and then if I go to my friends in the bottom bar, and now for example if I want to add a friend that is named Janet, I will search for Janet and here you can see that Janet is appearing in the second column. If I click on the add button right here, this will send the notification to Janet that I have added her by searching. But I don't want to do that. So in order to avoid it, I need to click on her profile picture, and here when I click on add friend button, the person will not receive the notification that I added her by search. Instead, she will get a notification which will be saying that I added her from her profile. So this is the easiest method by which you can hide edit by search on your Snapchat. There are other methods also available, but this is the most easiest one. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.